Welcome to our guide on using online survey tools. Today, we'll explore what these tools are and how they can benefit your data collection. When choosing an online survey tool, look for features such as user-friendly interfaces, customization options, and robust analytics. Let's examine some popular online survey tools, comparing their unique features and pricing to help you make an informed choice. Creating an effective survey begins with clear objectives. Define what information you need and tailor your questions accordingly. Designing your survey matters. Use a mix of question formats and keep your order logical to enhance respondent experience. Once your survey is ready, it's time to distribute it. Consider various methods like email, social media, and QR codes to reach your target audience. Analyzing survey results effectively requires the right tools and techniques. Look for trends and actionable insights in your data. Avoid common pitfalls like leading questions or not providing enough response options. These mistakes can skew your data. Let's look at some case studies that highlight successful surveys and how they made a positive impact. In conclusion, choosing the right online survey tool depends on your specific needs. Assess the features and make the choice that's best for you.